The day is finally here. The Google Pixel 6 Pro has arrived, and I cannot be more excited for this device than you, and definitely I'm more excited for this device than you. Why, you might ask? Because I have a magical, special place in my heart for the Google Pixel. It is an amazing device. I'm definitely an old school Nexus user, like the very first one. And today we get to go ahead and enjoy this device together. So without further ado, I give you the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Ta-da! Was that anticlimactic? Did I break it? So they definitely are getting a big giant A when it comes to the presentation. This thing is, it's amazing. You know, it's, what a cool box. So here we go. Google Pixel 6 for all you are. So this is a lovely message that came from Google. This is a gift from Google. So thank you very much. Definitely hashtag gift from Google. When you see that, you know that this is part of Team Pixel. So thank you, Google. Thank you for sending these wonderful gifts over. I do appreciate it. Here it is, Pixel 6 Pro. Pixel 6 Pro case. So they also sent the case, which was super cool. So go ahead and just take a quick little look-see-loo at that. Here is the Pixel 6 Pro case. Set that guy aside, and we will dive right into the phone itself. And I think that's all, but you know me, I'm gonna go ahead and check. That's all that's in the box. You never know. Sometimes there's extra little goodies and you don't know unless you look. So here it is, the Google Pixel 6 Pro in all of its amazing glory. Look at this guy right here. The packaging is definitely a little bit smaller than other smartphones in the past. However, consistent with the times, which we all know, so we're not going to go ahead and say no charging brick. Okay, fine, we said it. There's probably no charging brick in here, so we can live without it. We have plenty, we have a ton everywhere. So the unboxing experience, nice, lovely, super smooth. Ooh, look at her. Ooh, this is definitely a her. I don't know why it's not a him. This is a her because she's sexy. I mean, I usually think boys are sexy too, but shh, it's okay. This is a her. Don't tell my husband. Wow, this is a crazy solid device. Like, I've watched a couple other little unboxing videos and no one has really commented on how premium this feels. In their presentation, they stated that this was Google's first ever flagship device. I thought that was odd because they've definitely had a few Pixels that have been flagship pricing. But now we have this device starting at $899, super awesome. Now the Google Pixel 6 also starts at $599. We don't have one of those today, but maybe we'll get one in the future. Go ahead and finish the unboxing experience. We have our USB-C to USB-C cables right there. Thank you, Googs. Thank you very much. And we have some little papers. Go ahead, throw those away. And we have this little guy, just in case you got to go ahead and use a USB to USB-C adapter to go ahead and transfer your stuff, depending on how old your phone is that you're coming from. So, whew, this device is like a big giant fingerprint magnet, and it feels phenomenal in my hand. I literally cannot wait to hit this power button and just watch it turn on. For the very first time. You see that? Google! Whew, this thing looks amazing. It feels like no Android phone I have ever held in my life. It doesn't feel like an iPhone. It doesn't feel like a Samsung phone. I mean, gosh, it doesn't even compete, in my opinion, the feeling like a good old-fashioned Note, right? Like the good solid Notes. I mean, they're all still pretty solid. Look at this. And already it has this really nice haptic touch to it, just trying to get my attention. Hey, please come here and set me up. I'm gonna go ahead and set that to the side and just take a little look-see-loo at this case that they sent us. Okay, so they sent a plastic case to go over this amazing solid glass sandwich. Don't know how I feel about the case as of right now, this very moment, but I will take a little protection is better than no protection. But for now, I want to go ahead and feel and enjoy this device. Go ahead and set it up really quick. Couple of things I want to go ahead and mention about this device while it is getting set up. This is a 500 milliamp battery, so that is super awesome. Good job, Google. We have a brand new 50 megapixel lens on there, so that is super new and super awesome. This is a 6.7 inch screen. It feels good. It's narrow, but it's tall. And one of the things I like about this, definitely compared to the iPhone 12s or 13 Pros as of recent, is that this gets its inches from length, not width. I didn't mean to make that sound gross, it just kind of did. And if it didn't, I'm sorry if I put that in your head, but the 6.7 inches is going this way, whereas the iPhone, it goes a little bit more that way. So it's a little bit thicker, but it still gives you the same measurement. Well, this goes up a little bit more and it is a little bit more narrow in my hand. At least it feels a lot more narrow in my hand. Whoa, I just touched the screen and I was like, this thing is crazy fast. So this 6.7 inch screen is also giving us a 120 hertz refresh rate. So it kind of can change itself from 0 to 120 and just hitting a couple buttons there and seeing how fast and smooth everything is looking for us. This is definitely looking pretty good, pretty solid. I don't have anything on here, absolutely nothing set up. So I'm just swiping through here and getting a good idea for how everything is. So how quick and responsive this thing is. My eyes can't keep up. I mean, that's how quickly this is like, that's crazy fast. Oh, what is this? This thing is like, this device right now just became my main device. There's absolutely no way that this is going to be in my possession, in my hand. So premium, so sexy, so beautiful, and it is not going to go everywhere with me. Pixel 6 Pro, thank you. Gift from Google, Team Pixel. If you liked this video, like, comment, subscribe. If you want to see more of me, don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell. That way you get notified as soon as videos come out. And if you really want to pay me the ultimate creator compliment, share my content with your friends and family on social media. So what we have coming up in the future is you can expect an iPhone 13 Pro camera comparison with this, a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra camera comparison, a OnePlus 9 Pro Hasselblad lens magic technology camera comparison. Any other camera comparisons you guys want to go ahead and see, drop me a comment below. If I happen to have that phone in my arsenal, I'll go ahead and put that together. But the Google Pixel camera is a main focus of this magical device, and I cannot wait to use it.